Hey Jose, thank you very much for the opportunity to shoot this custom video for you. I did quite a bit of research for Maci Landscaping and wanted to share with you everything that I found out. So now when your future customers are searching for your services, and for example, Landscape Auburn, the first part that comes up here is what's called the Google Map Pack. Now, ideally, we want businesses to be in the top 3 positions because this is what instantly shows up upon the search. I did not see a Google My Business listing for Macy, so this is really important to get registered for or have created for you, okay? Um, yeah, this is really important because again, this is the very first part. Now, what your future customers are going to see underneath the Google Map Pack is what's called the organic listings. These are crucially important. This is number one because 9 times out of 10, excuse me, I had a hiccup. Anyone searching for a product or a service is going to go on the first page of Google and is going to select one of these top contenders. Now, I did take a look and I found the website for Maci Landscaping, and I wanted to show you and explain some things to you. So here's your site. Nothing wrong with the site, except for the fact that a free Google site is never going to be able to rank. And again, that's the objective here, is to get your business to rank as high as it possibly can to gain you the traffic and gain you the clientele. So with that being said, what you need to do is you can certainly stay with this site, but it's never going to be able to rank like I was just telling you. So having a website built for your site would be crucial. That's the number one thing. What a website does is it links you from the people searching for your services to your site so that they can contact you and get more information, right? So I just wanted to take a look at your number one competitor site here. Your number one competitor is Olympic Landscape, and I wanted to show you exactly what their site looks like, and then we'll go into some more in-depth information. All right, so here's Olympic Landscape. This is their site. Obviously, their site is beautiful. It's well put together. It's got a ton of information, and that's actually their downfall too. Let me explain. So what Google does 24 hours a day, 7 days a week is it crawls the internet constantly, looking at every single web page. What it's doing is it's looking for 2 important things. It's looking for the site A to have 1,500 words of command content, which is all of this information, and embedded within that 1,500 words of command content needs to be organic keywords. The organic keywords are what links your searching customers to your site. All right, so what I then went ahead and did was I pulled my web crawling program. And what this is going to do is this is going to give us in-depth information on both your site and their site. And then we will take a look at exactly what needs to happen. So here is your site. Now, again, well, let me explain 2 important factors to you right here. So this is the UR and the DR. What the UR is your trust rating. What the DR is your power rating. These 2 numbers are determined by what are called backlinks. What a backlink is essentially a shout out from another website with a link from their site to yours. What that does is, number 1, gives you credibility. Number 2, it gives you exposure. Now, contained on your site that you currently have is just one single organic keyword. And what all of this is telling us as a complete and whole story is that there is no organic traffic that is being brought to your site. So that means no people that are searching for your services are ending up at your site or clicking on your site, right? Again, just one more time to remind you, the obvious goal here is to get you ranking, get you a Google My Business listing, which is this local listing up here. And I wanted to take a look at the competition and their deep information so that we can see what it would take to look like. So again, your UR rating here is your trust factor. This is your power factor. They've got 1,630 backlinks going to their site. What this tells me is that it's not very powerful backlinks because these numbers should be higher. So what that then also tells me is that this site is beatable. This site, if you were to get a website built for you, have the 1,500 words of command content, have the organic keywords sprinkled throughout that content, get some powerful backlinks, organic keywords. This is how many they're running. So if you were to get a lot of organic keywords sprinkled throughout that content as well, this is what they're looking at. They're looking at an organic traffic rate every month of 1,100 people. That means 1,100 people are searching for the exact same services that you offer in the same area. And what 1,100 people are doing is Google searching, clicking on their site, retaining their services, getting additional information, whatever the case may be. This is a ton of traffic every month to be missing out on. But it's definitely beatable. That's the other great news, is that there are many things about Olympic Landscape's site that were not done correctly and leaves them in a position to be outranked. So, yeah, it's definitely doable. At minimum, I would definitely have a website built and get your Google My Business listing, and you would see an increase in traffic, revenue, business, phone calls, the whole nine, incredibly. Now, if this is something that you're interested in pursuing, if you are looking to build Maci, capitalize on a lot of this traffic, and grow your business, I would ask that you don't hesitate to reach out to me if this isn't something that you're looking to pursue. And you know what? No harm, no foul. I do appreciate you taking a look at the video, and I hope to hear from you.